Jeff Bezos is being made fun of right now for this photo shoot he did with Vogue. People are calling it cringy and uncomfortable. So naturally, I had to investigate. I gotta see, is it cringy? Is it as bad as people say it is, or are they just over-exaggerating? I'll be the judge of that. Let's take a look here. Let's see what Jeff has been up to and how many soft boxes they had to bring for this one. Do I just type in Jeff Bezos photo shoot? It's like an Amazon warehouse. Okay, let's see. Is he working? Is it like a working photo shoot? Is he packaging boxes? Is that the photo shoot? The first photo is his fiance is the positioning is very weird. It's like she's leaning in. It's only half of her body. And then she's doing like a hug there. She's hugging him. He's wearing a cowboy hat. He has muscles. Did he always have those? I don't know. I don't keep up with Jeff Bezos. I don't know if he works out. Listen, if I had that much money, I probably wouldn't work out. I'd probably just be eating donuts all day, to be honest with you. I don't work out when I don't have money, so probably should. Yeah, I probably am pre-diabetic. I probably should do something. Her body's just cut in half, to be honest with you. It just ends right there. It's kind of weird. They couldn't have placed her any other. They both look very happy. Overjoyed almost, I would say. It probably took a lot to kind of subdue their feelings. They're probably like, okay, let's not seem too happy in this. How much is this car? That's all I want to know. How much was this? Where are you? What are these mountains? How much is the sky? How much did this cost? I like the fact that they went light with the retouching, and we still see some, like I see a smile line there. And even look at her arms. They kept the texture in her arms. Retouching's done well. The lighting is beautiful. Tones are good. It's just, what's the point? What is the point of this? I mean, it's a cute picture. It's just half of her body is missing. That's what's kind of throwing me off. Like, where's the rest of it? His arm is huge. Do I see some warping around the arm? Who am I to say? I'm not sure. Don't sue me, Jeff Bezos. I have no money. You're not gonna get anything out of me. Is it normal for an arm to be squiggly like that? I don't know. Again, I don't work out, you guys. I can barely get up in the morning. Jeff's skin is looking great. What can I say? He's moisturizing every night and morning, probably. I don't know. There's a picture of Laura. She looks good. I gotta say, I like the hair and the light. She looks cute. I don't know. It's not a bad picture. It looks a little bit like almost copied and pasted, almost. You guys might not agree with this, but the retouching, I don't feel like it's completely overdone. Like, don't get me wrong. There's definitely retouching here. Okay, but like, look at her hands. Look at her hands, for instance. They kept the lines in her hands and some of the wrinkles and stuff. You will never see a Kardashian's hand, real hand. If this were Kim Kardashian, God forbid you see one line in her hand or one vein. Okay, so at least what I'm saying is it's a small victory. We're seeing at least, I see a vein and I see like 2 lines. That's progress, everybody. That's progress. Is it just 2 pictures? Is that the whole thing? Oh no, what is this? It looks like from the movie Saw. What is this? Is this an advertisement? Oh, no. It's okay. The red dress. Why does she look like I want to play a game. That's all that's missing from this is Jigsaw on the tricycle coming out.
You have 17 seconds to transfer $4 billion.
He'd probably have leftover money too. Like, that wouldn't be a problem. She'd be like, okay, where? Send me the account information. That'd be easy for her. I really thought this was like, it's giving Saw vibes. It's the same color toning. It's the same energy. If I zoom in, am I gonna see a man handcuffed to a toilet? Fighting for his life in the back here. I don't see him, but God bless. I hope he makes it out. I like the use of complementary colors. We have the green and the red, which is nice. She definitely looks like she fell, and she's like, oh, I might as well take a picture while I'm down here, while I wait for medical assistance. For them to light this, they would have to use a giant light source, right? Imagine having to do the lighting for this picture right here, this one, with the clock, the giant clock situation. My God, I hope they paid the person holding that light, because my goodness, you probably had to bring a big modifier in there, hold it for dear life. God bless. I would have had her do a different pose, probably not had her hand kind of like claw grab the railing, probably not had her do that. Probably would have maybe elongated her arms. I don't know. I've never been inside a clock before. This area just looks kind of plastic to me. I don't know. Where is this? I couldn't tell you. So they went from the mountains with the cowboy hat, and then now she's inside of a clock. Who am I to question the creative approach here? People were upset with this because they said it was glamorizing the billionaire. And it says several users were not fans of their looks. I can understand that. I mean, I can definitely understand. These people have a lot of money. They don't need to be doing this, okay? Let us pay our taxes and leave us alone. There's one more picture. She's flying a jet or something. She's a pilot. She's literally flying a plane. This is so random. Is this a part of it? Okay, wait. So we started in the mountains. We made our way into the Saw game, and now we escaped because we wire transferred Jigsaw the $7 billion, and then she escaped, and now she's flying a plane. I know she's not flying Spirit. I know this is not a Spirit plane. I'm surprised they didn't retouch the stray hairs at the top of her head. That would be the first thing to go, I would think, right? That's the first thing that you would, as a retoucher, you'd try to get rid of that. And the retouching, again, very light. We even see some wrinkling on her forehead, just a little bit. Again, totally normal. I'm just pointing out the type of retouching that was done here. Again, if after looking at the Kardashians' pictures for so long, I've never seen lines like this before. So it's kind of, it's still retouched, but it's a little refreshing to see like 1.5 lines. The pictures, I mean, I don't know it's good. Would I want a picture of myself like this? Yeah, but I fly economy. Okay, sometimes I end up in the back. This will never be me. Let's see what the public had to say. Let's read some comments. Y'all wild for this one. Ridiculous photograph. Halloween is over. I would like to unsee this picture. No one wants this content. Vogue WTF. Fire everyone who greenlit this. Looks like a parody. I've never been more uncomfortable with a photo. I've been shown this picture against my will. Oh my God. Damn. That's the worst one. This is the #1 most cringe post I have ever seen. I thought Vogue was for pretty people. I didn't say this. It wasn't me. So I'm just thinking, you're going through Vogue and you see these pictures. What's the purpose of them? Jeff Bezos. Okay, he has money, but what? Okay, and he has a muscular arm. What else? I can't see someone flipping through Vogue and being like, wow, this is the one. Jeff Bezos being hugged by his fiance of $17 billion. People are really mad with this editorial because they say it's glorifying billionaires, and people are saying it's tone deaf because of everything going on in the world right now. Did you like it? Did you not? Leave your thoughts in the comments, and thank you guys so much for watching. They should have had cats. If they had cats in the picture, I think this could have been saved. But they didn't have the cats. That's where they went wrong.